Hello, this is the sample automated psych report, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of some tips about how to use it. Up here to the right, you can put in, if you wanted to, the address for your district or the school that you work at. This has a link right here for how to add images if you wanted to add the logo for your different district. As we scroll down, you can see this is a drop down. You double click and you can choose what type of report you're going to be using. So we can just go with a triennial. On this cell, you would type in the first name of the potential client. So it could be anything, obviously. We'll do Bobby in this case. And for the last name, now if the name is longer than this amount, then what you would do is you would unmerge the last name part, and then you can hold and stretch it out and merge right there, so that way you could use it more. But the main thing is to not change this cell because that's where the formulas are attached. And then we have our birthday, you can put that in and notice how that is automated there for chronological age. And that adjusts. And what you do when you have drop-down menus, you double-click and you can scroll through the grade that it matches. Of course, a fourth grader is not going to be 11 years old. You can do that for a placement, type in the examiner name, and go through the whole list that way. And here is where you have the preferred pronouns. You can put these different ones. And when you complete that, you can go to the left here. There's the minus sign and click it. And this talks about the reason for referral. This has a drop-down menu here that you would go through and write in. This was a triennial, so that's why I'm keeping it there. And then areas of concern you can type in as well. Once you're finished clicking the boxes, you can just hide that, and that's all written out for you. These are drop-down menus too that have different tests that you can put in and dates. The health and developmental information also is a drop-down, so you can click in the information here, and if you don't want to put some information in, it's not required, so it's not going to make any issues for you. As we scroll down, I have included part of the WISC for you to kind of get a sense of how that works. And you can notice how the qualitative description and the percentile are all included. They automatically pop up, and then right here you would do that. And you can see what it's written down below to give you a sense of how that works as well. When you're complete with this form and you want to delete or clear up the highlighted section, you go to this top left cell, and that highlights everything. Click here and click the white button if you want to have all the changes coincide with the document. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy this report.